This video is completely made for educational purposes only. So guys, lots of people facing issue with the phone Wi-Fi cracker. So the first thing that they need to change is the operating system. Here I am using Parrot Security. You just need to use the Parrot Security operating system for better working. So I request everyone to download and install Parrot Security, so which is great for all types of Wi-Fi hacking related contents. So anyways, what I'm gonna demonstrate here is about phone Wi-Fi cracker. Okay, so you just need to open the phone Wi-Fi cracker. Before that, you just need to select your adapter. So here I'm just selecting my Wi-Fi adapter. I'm using the TP-Link adapter. You can use any adapter that you want. So the issue with people is about the checking about the monitor mode in phone Wi-Fi cracker, right? So I'm just selecting my interface. It's selected. Now I'm just clicking refresh button, and you'll be able to see it's a refreshing. And now this is my interface name, but this is the issue starts, like problem occurred while setting up the monitor mode of selected. So what you need to do here is to open up the terminal, and I'm just zooming it for you. So now you just need to become root user. After becoming a root user, you have a command called ip-link. So before that, I'm just entering iwconfig to check the device. So this is my device name, so I'm just copying the device name, and you can just enter the command ip-link set this device name change the name to WLAN 0 mon. So it should be WLAN 0 mon. ip-link set the interface name and the name to WLAN 0 mon. So once you enter this command, when you enter iwconfig again, you will be able to see your interface name was changed to WLAN 0 mon. So basically, the first thing is to use the operating system Parrot. Second thing is to change your interface name to WLAN 0 mon. So make sure to put IP space after that link. So this is the command sudo ip-link set your interface name after name, and the new interface name here is WLAN 0 mon. Okay, so after setting that, now you will be able to see in the phone Wi-Fi cracker. Just refresh it, and here you can see WLAN 0 mon. When you click that, it will work. Monitor mode enabled. So basically the issue is you just need to change your adapter name into monitor mode, into WLAN 0 mon. So your name should be WLAN 0 mon to make it work properly in phone Wi-Fi cracker. So after that, you will be able to see scan for access points. When you click that, you will be able to see some devices around you, the WEP and WPA devices. Here I just found the 4 devices around me. These are the 4 devices. So I can't show the rest of the things because it will violate YouTube's terms and conditions. So I hope you will know what to do next. So this is about this video, guys. I hope you learned how you can solve the phone Wi-Fi cracker issue, and see you in the next one.